Welcome to the TEK871 Cellular Ultrasonic Exi Installation Guide. The TEK871 Cellular Ultrasonic Sensor is ATEX and HAZLOC certified and uses ultrasonic technology to measure the inventory level of your tank and communicates this data to a remote server backend of your choice. The TEK871 Cellular Ultrasonic EXI sensor kit supplied includes an activation magnet, mounting adapter, mounting gasket, self-tapper screws, and a rubber seal. Installation: tanks without pre-existing openings. A hole will need to be drilled for tanks that do not contain a suitably positioned threaded opening on the top of the tank to hold the sensor. Choose a flat spot on the top of the tank. Use a 45.5 mm tapping drill to drill a 1.5 inch hole on the surface of the tank. Place the foam gasket over the hole followed by the mounting adapter. Secure the adapter to the tank using 2 stainless steel self-tapping screws supplied. Do not over-tighten. Screw the sensor into the adapter. Ensure that the sensor is vertical on the tank and screwed correctly into the base and that the threads have not crossed to give a secure seal. Connect the ultrasonic head to the logger, noting the white dots for orientation. Activation: hold the supplied magnet to the indicated hotspot on the logger. 4 short beeps will be heard approximately 1 second apart. These will be followed by a long beep, which indicates that the logger is now attempting to connect to the network. A series of beeps will be heard. This indicates the logger is logging onto the network. Upon successful registration to the network, the logger will attempt to initiate a connection to the server, details of which have been pre-configured in the logger. This is indicated by higher-pitched beeping. The successful activation of the unit is indicated by 2 successive short beeps 2 seconds apart. Once the logger has successfully connected, the server must issue the required commands to the logger to complete the activation process. Footnote: the 871 Cellular Ultrasonic EXI is ATEX intrinsically safe compliant, but if installing in a harsh environment, first check local applicable regulatory and safety guidelines to ensure installer security. Thank you. If you have any questions, please contact sales@rochestersensors.com.